Take out the machine from packaging box. Remove the clean water tank. Add the clean water. Install the clean water tank. Key introductions: power switch, vacuum switch, brush tray rotating switch, water nozzle switch, speed decrease of the brush tray, speed increase of the brush tray. Display of the cleaning effect. Remove the sewage tank. Discharge the sewage. Remove the fine mesh strainer. Clean the fine mesh strainer. Install the sewage tank. Remove the battery. Install the battery. Connect the charger of the machine. Disassemble the brush tray. Install the brush tray.